Good morning. Happy Thursday to everybody. This is Mornings with Michael. Thought I'd roll in some beach scenes in California. Everybody always wants to be near a beach. The roar of the tide coming in just as comforting. So Mornings with Michael is for informational and educational and entertainment purposes only. So let's take a look. The screen, unemployment rates unexpectedly rose, and that cheered the market a little bit today. So energy stocks have improved a little bit today. They're up just slightly, a quarter, 25 cents. And the VIX has risen slightly, 10 cents up. So let's look at the S&P 500. Interesting that S&P 500 was up earlier, now is retreating. QQQ is still continues to lead the market. Was down less than the rest of the market yesterday and is up slightly. Dow Jones is down, and the small cap IWM is retreating significantly, down a little over a percent now, below its 50-day moving average, heading to its 200-day moving average. Let's look at the dollar. The dollar was retreating, and yeah, it's retreating about 6 cents, just marginally. The dollar, when it moves up, puts pressure on stocks and gold. So let's look at the zero TNX yield on the 10-year bond, pulling back a little bit, just marginally, and kind of flat. So we'll continue to watch that. And the 20-year is up slightly, is up a little over 0.75%. Gold is bounced up here a little bit. That's the 10-day moving average, which is below the 20 and which is below the 50, which isn't usually a good sign. Silver is trying to bounce a little bit here, is up nearly 0.5%. And Bitcoin is pulling back. Looks like Silvergate Capital, the bank for crypto, in its heyday, looks like it's going out of business. It was down a little further earlier, was down a little over 20%. And what's trending? ANET broke out of a consolidation yesterday, continues to trend positively. Allegro Microsystems is pulling back a little bit here, but continues to trend positively. Silicon Valley Bank is down close to 43%. I'm wondering if they didn't have some ties to Silvergate Capital. Just have to look into that further. And there's a couple other banks that are not doing as well as well. Got my handy little list here on the phone. Pacific West Bancorp, another one is down 18% today. First Republic Bank is down a little over 13%. And Western Alliance Bancorp is down 12%. AerCap Holdings, which was down yesterday, continues its slide down close to 2% today. So that's kind of a wrap up. Just take a look at the semiconductor index, continues to trend pretty well. It's working on a little consolidation pattern. And take a look at JETS again. Oh, and looks like the transportation index is popping up a little bit today. XPO had a pretty big bounce here. Hub Group is doing the same thing. But yeah, the transportation are up today. JETS is pulling back a little bit today. The metals and mining continues its pullback. The dollar's been strong, so this is putting pressure on the metals group. The builders continue their pullback. Real estate continues to trend negatively. Utilities are actually starting to move in a positive direction. This is a defensive area. Software, interestingly, continues to trend pretty well. So that's kind of a look of what's moving in the marketplace. You continue to move in the positive direction, keep working on your goals and your activities, keep your spirits high. We will get out of this, and we will just have to see how far the Federal Reserve wants to push interest rates. We got the key jobs report tomorrow. We'll kind of see if it's more positive for the Fed, and that's going to really signal where the market goes for the next week or so. In the meantime, hope everybody has a great Thursday and continue striving, and we'll be here if you need any financial support on your private financial goals. Our phone number again is 415-828-7997. This has been Mornings with Michael for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes only. Everyone have a great day.